Ever wondered what it feels like to literally make money while you sleep? Like, head on the pillow, snoring, dreaming about pizza, and boom, your YouTube channel is working for you. Sounds fake, right? But no, it's real. And the secret? 10 free AI tools that practically run my faceless channel on autopilot. No camera, no mic, no editing stress. Just smart tools doing all the heavy lifting, while I binge Netflix or accidentally nap in the middle of a productive day. Here's the thing. YouTube is changing fast. What used to take hours now takes minutes. And if you're still doing everything manually, you're playing the game on hard mode. So I'm going to show you exactly what I use, for free, to turn my channel into a sleep-powered machine. Let's start with the beast that runs the whole operation, ChatGPT. Yeah, this one's obvious, but don't scroll yet, because it's how you use it that matters. I don't just ask it to write scripts. I give it the full breakdown. Audience type, pacing, tone, video length, and boom, clean, engaging script in 30 seconds. No more staring at blank docs or rewriting the same intro for the 10th time. And with GPT-4, you can even get voice-friendly phrasing with built-in dramatic pauses. Yep, just like this one. Now, once the script is ready, I toss it into 11 Labs. And wow, this tool makes my voiceovers sound weirdly human. You can pick from different voice types, or clone your own if you're brave enough. It adds that real emotional edge that faceless channels need to hold attention. Plus, it sounds so natural. My own mom thought I finally got a job in radio. But we're not stopping there. Next up, Pictory. This tool is straight up wizardry. Paste your script in, and it spits out a fully edited video with visuals, B-roll, text overlays, even stock footage, all matched to your words. It's like having your own editor for $0. No timeline dragging, no software crashes. Just click, tweak, export, done. And just when you think it can't get better, Pixabay and Pexels step in for the visuals. Free stock footage, tons of it, high quality, no watermark, no shady copyright nonsense. These two make your content look professional. Oh, and here's the wild part. We're only halfway through the stack. Comment AI if you've used any of these before. Links to all tools mentioned in the description. Totally free, no fluff. Alright, your video is written, voiced, and packed with footage. But now comes the part that most people completely overlook, optimization. Because what's the point of a great video if no one ever sees it? Enter VidIQ, my behind-the-scenes brain. This thing tracks keywords, trending topics, competitor performance, and even tells you when to post. It's like hiring a personal strategist. But without the $1,000 invoice. I use it to find titles people are actually searching for. Stuff with low competition and high demand. That's the secret sauce. Don't just create what people already want to watch. Now, once I've got my keywords, I run them through Headline. Free headline generator? Yup, and it's ridiculously good. I toss in my video topic, and it spits out dozens of click-worthy titles in seconds. It's like headline steroids. My favorite part? It adds that curiosity angle, the one that gets the clicks. Because the algorithm doesn't care how good your video is until someone actually clicks. And what about thumbnails? Please don't use Canva templates everyone's seen 5,000 times. I use Photopea. It's basically Photoshop, but free and in your browser. You can add glow, shadows, text effects, anything to make your thumbnail scream, "Click me," without actually shouting. Then there's remove.bg. Upload any photo, boom, background gone, instantly. Clean, sharp, professional. I use it to isolate objects, add shadows, layer effects. It's small but mighty. Honestly, it saves me hours when making scroll-stopping thumbnails. Now here's where it gets fun. Once the video's posted, I don't just sit back and hope it goes viral. I watch the first 24 hours like a hawk. I use YouTube Studio's advanced mode to track CTR, AVD, and watch time graphs. If something dips, I change it immediately. Thumbnail, title, even the intro hook. That's how you train the algorithm to keep pushing your video. But here's the mindset shift. This isn't about perfection. It's about speed, systems, and stacking tiny wins. Because while everyone else is overthinking, I've already published. Let that sink in. Now let's talk automation, the stuff that makes your channel feel alive, even when you're not touching it. Tool number 8 is Zapier. This one connects your apps like magic. I have it set up so every time I post a new video, it auto-sends a tweet, drops a Discord update, and even logs the upload into my Airtable content tracker. No extra clicks, no forgetting, just boom, done. And yes, Zapier has a free tier. You don't need to pay unless you're building some Iron Man level workflow. I'm just using it to keep my life organized while I nap. Speaking of Airtable, that's tool 9. It's like Google Sheets on steroids. I track my entire channel in here. Titles, thumbnails, post dates, keyword scores, script status, retention stats. You know that feeling when you don't remember if you've already posted that idea you had at 2 a.m. Airtable fixes that. Everything is visual, color-coded, and drag-and-drop easy. I even made a video graveyard tab for all the ideas that flopped. And finally, Notion, my digital brain. This is where the magic starts. Every script, idea, voice note, viewer comment, viral topic, it all lives here. I even use AI inside Notion to rephrase clunky ideas or restructure sections. It's my launchpad, because if you're not organizing your creative chaos, you're basically letting ideas leak out of your brain every day. Now pause for a second. Look at what we've built so far. You've got a full writing and editing stack, voiceovers and visuals covered, optimization tools that actually move the needle, automation tools that save time and sanity. And guess what? You haven't spent a single dollar yet. Let that sink in for a sec. These aren't just tools. They're multipliers. Every one of them lets you go faster, cleaner, smoother, with less effort. This is the part where most people go, yeah, but don't you still need expensive gear, or a studio, or a team? Nope. You just need this stack, and some consistency. That's it. So now you know, 10 free AI tools, no camera, no fancy mic, no editing suite, just you, your ideas, and a digital army doing the work while you sleep. That's the shift right there. You stop being the bottleneck. You stop burning out. You start scaling. And hey, maybe your first few videos won't blow up. That's normal. Mine didn't either. But with this stack, you'll have something most creators don't, momentum. And once you have that, you're dangerous. Pick 3 tools from this list and start with just one video. One. That's it. You don't need everything today. You just need motion. The rest will catch up. And if you found this helpful, hit that like button so the algorithm knows you're alive. Subscribe for more breakdowns like this and drop a comment below. Which tool are you trying first? While the world scrolls, you upload. And yeah, don't forget to actually get some sleep.